The Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary under the Directorate of Dairy Development and the East Khasi Hills District Cooperative Milk Union had organized an event on 6th September 2023 at the Central Dairy Campus at Mawiong, Shillong, wherein milk transportation vans and testing vehicles were handed over to Dairy Cooperative Societies. Present during the Minister in charge of the Department of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, L Hek, the Secretary of the Department, C. Manjunatha, the Director of Animal Husbandry Department, Dr. Arwala Laloo, the Director of Dairy Development, Government of Meghalaya officials, staff and others.
Thank you, sir.
How we can produce the meal, make the meal productions in the state of Meghalaya. He said that only 2 cows, it can earn the money of 25,000 per month. Only 2 yielding cows. Just imagine 2 yielding cows. If we have 4 cows, 4 yielding cows will have 50,000 per month. If you have 8 cows, we'll be earning 1 lakh rupees per month. It's a very easy to rear 8 cows or 10 cows, 12 cows, 50 cows if we all are taking the initiative. But this initiative, it cannot be ends only with the government. I told when we went touring to the Garo Hills district, I've been touring into all the farms of the government. I went to the poultry farm, I went to the goat farm, the cattle farm and all the farms. But there are very less productions. There's no production at all when we talk about the investment that the government had invested in our farms. That's why I am encouraging and telling our government, we, all of us, we need to put our effort and our hard work, definitely, but the needs of the hour is, we have to involve the people. We need the PPP model, public partnership business. We can do it together with the people. If you want really to make this the dairy farming a productivity, to increase our productivity, we all of us, we need to engage with the people partners. We have to be partner with the people. Otherwise, it will not be able only the government to do the business. So that's why I'm saying this. If we have today, of course, we are going to hand over 18 vehicles and also the 18 testing kits to the cooperative societies. Cooperative society, the mill union, they are working. But we need more to involve the people here. The mill need more to involve the farmers here. We need the people to take the business. We need only to facilitate them. The government is our duty and responsibility to give them the facilities. The duty of the government is to help them to facilitate, whether if it has to take the loan from the bank, if we have to take the subsidy from the government, this kind of the facilities we have to help our farmers or the people who are going to take up this business. As I had said, everybody had said the right thing. Milk is a very important drinks to all of us. If you see the growth of our children, definitely we all of us, we depends on the nutritious foods, where lot of nutrients is there in the milks. We want our children to grow, we need to give regular drinks of milk. Now also there, while I was sitting there, I sipping that lassi. It was very tasty. Whether it is produced from this dairy farming or it is produced from outside, we don't know, but it's very tasty. That also the products of the milk. It's the products of the milk. So therefore, friends, I will not take much of a time today since we are only have a very short program, but they told me also we'll have a very half an hour's program. I will not take much of your time, but only thing which I want to again reiterate it and repeat to all of you. If you want to sustain this dairy farming, if you want to enhance or increase the milk productivity, the milk production in the states of Meghalaya, we need to be partnering with the people.